Wow, this copier paper cutting machine, look at this, with 5 unwinding rolls and with a hydraulic and clutch control. The fully automatic paper cutting machine including unwinding, feeding, slitting, cutting, conveying, and collecting. The A4 paper cutting machine, the unwinding paper coil including 3 inches and 6 inches. Also, we can design for customer demand. You can see the compact and the design cool, so cool. Let's look at this. Come to the slitting. Let's look at this the slitting device with 5 sets slitting knives. Let's look at this the transportation device. The roller, set roller, including upper one, diameter 200 and with a rubber. The lower diameter roller is 400 and anti-glide to make the paper transport very flat. Also, the transportation to the paper collecting device. There's equipped with a jogging and tidy the paper. Then transport to the transportation device. The system including the static removal device and the negative ion generator.